It's Friday the 18th of July 2025. I've just had a disgustingly large amount of money put into my bank account. 8 years and 4 days ago to the day I got the keys for this house. At that time, I sat in this very spot and made my first property related video. Hi there, my name's George Bannister and I am an aspiring property developer. I've literally just this minute got the keys. That was on the suggestion of my good friend and business mentor, Emma Warren. Thank you for that, Emma. I made over 150 videos on Otterhead House and the chicken house alone. Now I know there's a few of you out there who've watched every single video. And I know this because you phone me up now and then and go, "How's it, people?" Nutters. So it's fair to say, doing this place was a bit of a roller coaster. I ran out of money more times than I can remember. I very nearly went bankrupt during COVID. I probably had more near misses with a mental breakdown than you can shake a tin of Prozac at. So I've got to ask myself now, was it worth it? Categorically, yes it was. The end result speaks for itself. So I just want to make this video to say a big thank you to everyone who's been involved with it over the years. Whether your part was big or small, without you, it would not have happened. It was obviously very important to me, who purchased this house after having put so much time, energy and attention into it. Simmons and Sampson Ilminster did a fantastic job of finding Graham and Annie, who are the perfect people for this. Their long-term plan is to live here. What a pad! Fantastic. In the short term, however, they're going to put it into holiday let. So Otterhead House and the old chicken house will be available for short term rental. If you're interested, feel free to get in touch with me because I'm going to be managing it for them. So what next? Well, I could just run off to the villa I'm building in Lombok and retire, but that would be a bit boring, wouldn't it? Instead, I've purchased an agricultural barn just outside of Ilminster, the original plan for which was to build a big house. Then I thought, that's a bit boring, isn't it? Why build a house when you can build a mansion? So that's what we're going to do. It's going to be a much more modern design, but with a rustic twist. As always, it's going to be super high end, and at 5,500 square foot, it's going to be pretty epic. So if you're interested, feel free to follow along. We'll be doing a bit of the work for it now, a bit of the preparation work, but we'll start properly in February next year. On that note, just want to say thanks everyone for watching. Hope you've enjoyed it as much as we have. Stay safe. See you next time. Cheers. Bye.